Hi students, welcome to the next session. In today's session, we will discuss few problems in miscellaneous exercise. Examples. First one, if tan x is equal to 3 by 4, comma, pi less than x less than 3 pi by 2, find sin x by 2, cos x by 2, tan x by 2. You need to find these three values. Solution. They given tan x is equal to 3 by 4 and x is lies between pi 3 pi by 2. Pi is 180, 3 pi by 2 is 270, between 180 to 270, that is nothing but x belongs to third quadrant. Now I am using right angle triangle concept. Tan value is 3 by 4, opposite by adjacent. If you apply Pythagoras theorem, you will get the hypotenuse is 5. From this, I am finding cos x. Here which quadrant? Third quadrant. Third quadrant cos is negative. Cos formula adjacent side by hypotenuse, that is nothing but 4 by 5. But here we need to find submultiple angles. We don't want x, we need x by 2. That's why x by 2 belongs to which quadrant we need to identify. Given pi less than x less than 3 pi by 2. If you divide with 2, pi by 2 less than x by 2 less than 3 pi by 2 by 2, that is nothing but 3 pi by 4. So finally we know x by 2 is lies between 90 to 135. 90 to 135 means it is second quadrant. Therefore x by 2 belongs to second quadrant. Why quadrants? Because based on quadrants only you will get symbols. We know that cos A is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square A by 2. Already we know this formula. From this I can write 2 sin square A by 2 is equal to 1 minus cos A. Sin square A by 2 is 1 minus cos A by 2. Sin A by 2 is under root of 1 minus cos A by 2. Already yesterday class I gave this direct form. Okay. Now I am finding sin x by 2. Means in place of A you substitute x. What you will get? 1 minus cos x by 2. But here you need to write the symbol. X by 2 belongs to which quadrant? Second quadrant. Second quadrant sign is positive. That's why you take plus only. Sin x by 2 is equal to under root of 1 minus cos x value. We got minus 4 by 5. Substitute by 2. Now simplify this. Sin x by 2 is equal to under root of 9 by 10. Now we will get root 9 value is 3. 3 by root 10. We will get symbol plus only. Why? Because sin is positive in second quadrant. Similarly, I wrote sin a by 2 formula. I am writing directly cos a by 2 formula. Sin a by 2 minus will come, cos a by 2 plus will come. We know that cos a by 2 is equal to under root of 1 plus cos a by 2. But here cos x by 2 is equal to minus under root of 1 plus cos x by 2. Why minus symbol will come? X by 2 belongs to second quadrant. Second quadrant cos is negative. Cos x by 2 is equal to minus of under root of 1. Cos x value is minus 4 by 5 by 2. If you simplify, cos x by 2 is equal to minus under root of 5 minus 4, 1 by 10. Now cos x by 2 is equal to minus 1 by root 10. Already we know sin and cos. We can find tan. Tan x by 2 is equal to sin x by 2 by cos x by 2. Sin value 3 by root 10. Cos value minus 1 by root 10. Root 10 gets cancelled. Finally, we got tan x by 2 is equal to minus 3 by 1, that is nothing but 3. This is the answer. Next question, important for 5 marks. Prove that cos square x plus cos square x plus pi by 3 plus cos square x minus pi by 3 is equal to 3 by 2. Okay. Solution. First you take LHS. Cos square x plus cos square x plus pi by 3 plus cos square x minus pi by 3. In yesterday formula list, we have one formula. Cos square theta, it can be written as 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2. In place of theta, x is there. In place of theta, x plus pi by 3 is there. In place of theta, x minus pi by 3 is there. Now it can be written as 1 plus cos 2x by 2. Next, 1 plus cos 2 into theta means what? X plus pi by 3 by 2. Next, plus 1 plus cos 2 theta means what? X minus pi by 3 by 2. So here by 2 I am taking by 2 common, 1 by 2. Here 1 plus 1 plus 1 I am adding, you will get 3 plus cos 2x plus cos of 2 into x, 2x, 2 into pi by 3, 2 pi by 3 plus cos of 2 into x, 2x minus 2 into pi by 3, 2 pi by 3. Here you can apply different formulas. If you know cos C plus cos D, this is C, this is D, you apply that one. If you don't know that formula, this is cos A plus B, this is cos A minus B, apply that one. In yesterday formula list, I gave one formula, cos of A plus B plus cos of A minus B, 2 cos A cos B. If you remember this formula, it will answer easily. Otherwise, you can apply cos C plus cos D, or otherwise cos of A plus B plus cos of A minus B. Now, 1 by 2 into 3 plus cos 2x plus, in place of A 2x, in place of B 2 pi by 3. Now what will write? 2 cos A means 2x, cos B means 2 pi by 3. 2 pi by 3 means 120. See here, how to find cos 120? 180 minus 60. 180 minus means second quadrant. Second quadrant cos is negative, minus cos 60. So what is the value? Minus 1 by 2 you will get. Now 1 by 2 into 3 plus cos 2x plus 2 cos 2x into cos 120 value minus 1 by 2. 2 and 2 gets cancelled. Now 1 by 2 into 3 plus cos 2x plus into minus cos 2x. Again cos 2x gets cancelled. Now answer will be 3 by 2. This is the required RHS. Very important question for 5 marks. Next, we will solve miscellaneous exercise. Miscellaneous examples over miscellaneous exercise problems. Okay, in this first question, prove that 2 cos pi by 13 cos 9 pi by 13 plus cos 3 pi by 13 plus cos 5 pi by 13 is equal to 0. Okay. Now consider LHS, that is 2 cos, first I am writing the highest value angle 9 pi by 13 cos pi by 13 plus cos 3 pi by 13 plus cos 5 pi by 13. Now I am applying formula. Just now we applied 2 cos A cos B can be written as cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. 2 cos A cos B, it can be written as cos of A plus B plus cos of A minus B. Use this formula. Now in place of A 9 pi by 13, in place of B pi by 13. Now LHS equals to cos of A plus B 9 pi by 13 plus pi by 13 plus cos of A minus B 9 pi by 13 minus pi by 13. The last two value you write as it is, cos 3 pi by 13 plus cos 5 pi by 13. Now simplify this. Cos of 10 pi by 13 you will get, there is no cancellation. Cos of 8 pi by 13 you will get. plus cos 3 pi by 13 cos 5 pi by 13. Here any value is cancelled? No. That's why this 10 pi by 13 can be written as, you can take pi minus 3 pi by 13. If you simplify this, you will get this only. Similarly, 8 pi by 13 can be written as pi minus 5 pi by 13. Simplifying, you will get this only. The remaining two values as it is. See, in first two terms, pi minus. Already we know that cos pi minus theta is minus cos theta. Okay? Why? Because pi minus means second quadrant. Second quadrant cos is negative. Cos of pi minus theta is minus cos theta. I am applying this form. Now cos of pi minus theta, you will get minus cos theta. Cos of pi minus theta minus cos theta. The last two terms you write as it is. Okay. Now cos 3 pi by 13, 3 pi by 13 minus cos 5 pi by 13, cos 5 by 13 cancel. Now answer will be 0. This is the required RHS. Next, second question. Prove that sin 3x plus sin x into sin x cos 3x minus cos x into cos x is equal to 0. Okay. Solution. First you take LHS. Sin 3x plus sin x into sin x plus cos 3x minus cos x into cos x. It is in the form of sin c plus sin d. It is in the form of cos c minus cos d. Apply the formula. 2 sin c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. You take this value in bracket into sin x. Cos c minus cos d minus 2 sin c plus d by 2 sin c minus d by 2 into cos x. Now simplify. 2 sin 4x by 2 2x cos 2x by 2 x into sin x. Now plus into minus, it becomes minus 2 sin 4x by 2, that is nothing but 2x, sin 2x by 2, that is nothing but sin x into cos x. Now observe, this term both are same, because 2 sin 2x, 2 sin 2x, cos x, sin x, sin x. Now we can cancel these two terms. Now answer will be 0. Next, third question. This is also important. Prove that cos x plus cos y whole square. Same model, one more question I will give homework. Sin x minus sin y whole square is equal to 4 cos square x plus y by 2. Okay. Solution. First you take LHS. Cos x plus cos y whole square plus sin x minus sin y whole square. It is a plus b whole square. This is a minus b whole square. A square plus b square plus 2ab. This one. A square plus b square minus 2ab. Or we can apply cos c plus cos d, sin c minus sin d, but it is easy. Instead of sin square x plus cos square x, I am writing 1. Instead of sin square y plus cos square y, I am writing 1. These are the trigonometric identities. In these two terms, you take 2 common. You take 2 common, what you will get? Cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. Okay, 1 plus 1, 2 plus 2 into, it is in the form of cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. It can be written as cos of a plus b. Next, if you take 2 common, what you will get? 1 plus cos of x plus y. We have one formula. Cos a can be written as 2 cos square a by 2 minus 1. In place of a, x plus y is there. So, it can be written as 2 into 1 plus 2 cos square a means x plus y by 2 minus 1. Now, 2 2 just 4 cos square x plus y by 2. This is the required RHS. Same model, I am giving one question homework. Okay, that is also important. Prove that cos x minus cos y whole square plus sin x minus sin y whole square is equal to 4 sin square of x minus y by 2. Same method you apply, but this formula here what you are using, cos a is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square a by 2, because cos a we have totally 4 formulas. In place of this formula, use this one. Procedure is same. You will get answer 4 sin square x minus y by 2. This is homework question. Same method, but e formula place e formula use ಮಾಡಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Next, 5th question. Prove that sin x plus sin 3x plus sin 5x plus sin 7x is equal to 4 into cos x cos 2x sin 4x. Okay. First, you take LHS. LHS totally we have 4. In this 4, first I am taking highest and least. highest means 7x, least means x. Then remaining 2 also, the highest is sin 5x and the least angle is 3x. Now both are in the form of sin c plus sin d. 2 sin c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. Here 2 sin c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. Now simplify this. 2 sin 8x by 2, that is nothing but 4x, cos 6x by 2, that is nothing but 3x. 2 sin 8x by 2, that is nothing but 4x, cos 2x by 2, that is nothing but x. Now I am taking 2 sin 4x common in both. Now what you will get? Cos 3x plus cos x. Okay, that equals to 2 sin 4x into, it is in the form of cos c plus cos d, 2 cos c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. Now finally 2 to just 4, sin 4x into cos 4x by 2, that is nothing but 2x, cos 2x by 2, that is nothing but x. Can write 4, first I am writing cos x, next I will write cos 2x, next sin 4x. So this is the required RHS. Next, 6th question, important for 5 marks. Prove that sin 7x plus sin 5x plus sin 9x plus sin 3x by cos 7x plus cos 5x plus cos 9x plus cos 3x, that equals to tan 6x. Okay. Now take LHS. Sin 7x plus sin 5x plus sin 9x plus sin 3x by cos 7x plus cos 5x plus cos 9x plus cos 3x. Okay, numerator is in the form of sin c plus sin d. 2 sin c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. Again sin c plus sin d. 2 sin c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. Next, denominator cos c plus cos d. 2 cos c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2 plus 2 cos c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. Now simplify. 2 sin 12x by 2, that is nothing but 6x, cos 2x by 2, that is nothing but x. 2 sin 12x by 2 is nothing but 6x, cos 6x by 2, that is nothing but 3x. Denominator. 2 cos 12x by 2 is nothing but 6x, cos 2x by 2, that is nothing but x, plus 2 cos 12x by 2, that is nothing but 6x, cos 6x by 2, that is nothing but 3x. In numerator, 2 sin 6x common. Then what is remaining? Cos x plus cos 3x. By denominator, 2 cos 6x common. Then what is remaining? Cos x plus cos 3x. Now both values gets cancelled and 2 gets cancelled. Finally sin by cos, that is nothing but tan 6x is the answer. Next, 7th question. Prove that sin 3x plus sin 2x minus sin x is equal to 4 sin x into cos x by 2 cos 3x by 2. Okay. In LHS, first you take sin 3x minus sin x plus the remaining is sin 2x. Now it is apply sin c minus sin d formula. 2 cos c plus d by 2 sin c minus d by 2 plus sin 2x, that is nothing but 2 cos 4x by 2 sin 2x by 2, that is nothing but x, plus sin 2x. Okay, now 2 cos 2x sin x plus, we know the formula for sin 2a, 2 sin a cos a. So in this 2 sin x common, then what is remaining? Cos 2x plus cos x, that equals to 2 sin x into, it is in the form of cos c plus cos d, 2 cos c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. Now 2 2 just 4 sin x into cos 2x plus x, that is nothing but 3x by 2 cos 2x minus x, that is x by 2. This is the required answers. Now the last question, I am giving homework. Already this model question I explained. Tan x is equal to minus 4 by 3 and x belongs to second quadrant. Find sin x by 2, cos x by 2, tan x by 2. try this question. It is homework. Now trigonometry PU portion is completed. From next session onwards, I will start JEE for trigonometric functions. Okay.